Today is day 28, One Bait, One Cast. We're gonna get a really nice plastic. Look! Marking. This plastic is made by Marking, one of the best YouTubers ever. And he makes some of the best plastics ever as well. So I don't know what color this is called, but it's really nice. It's like a chrome purple. Looks like outer space. So, you know the drill. We have a wacky... No! That was my favorite color, and it flew off and turned the Oh! No, that was my favorite color, and it flew off. Oh boy, I want to crash out so bad right now, but I'm on camera. I don't even care what we get. We got a freaking giant swim bait. Wow. Oh. So that doesn't count. Well, whatever happens on this cast does count. I'm just gonna rig it up like that. I don't care. Meow. Come on, dude. Alright. I have to be quick because of my storage. And then, you know our drill. The little shallow cast right here. Oh. That was my favorite color that Marking sent me out of all those ones down there that I just reviewed for the advertisement of my sponsor. Thanks for watching, guys.